Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're a smoothie lover or someone looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing the best smoothie blenders of 2024. Whether you're into green smoothies, protein shakes, or delicious fruit blends, we've got the perfect blenders for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive in and find the best blender to make your smoothies smoother and your life healthier. Best blender for smoothies. Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200 is the best blender for smoothies we've tested. This high-end blender might seem like overkill if you just want a basic machine for simple smoothies, but it's worth considering if you want the smoothest blends or care about versatility. It does a fantastic job of blending fibrous fruits and veggies in its 64 oz jar, so it can make silky smooth blends with basically any smoothie recipe. The narrow jar shape helps it blend smaller volumes of ingredients more efficiently, and it works equally well for personal smoothies and bigger batches. It's very well built and has a long 7-year warranty. The controls are simple, consisting of a speed dial and a switch for pulsing. That's all you need for any recipe, but it means you stop the blender manually when it's done, so you may find it less convenient than a blender with automatic blending programs. There's only one jar included, so if you want a personal jar for smoothies, you have to buy one separately from Vitamix. If you want blending programs, other full-size blenders from Vitamix are strong choices. The Vitamix Venturist V1200 is a good option that avoids some of the downsides of the 5200. It comes with a personal jar and resealable lid, so you can easily blend a single serve and bring it on the go. While it doesn't have dedicated blending programs, its controls include a programmable timer, so you can set the blender to run for a set amount of time before stopping automatically. However, it's much louder than the 5200. Best mid-range blender for smoothies. KitchenAid K400. The KitchenAid K400 is a cheaper option with a comparable performance when it comes to blending common smoothie ingredients like leafy greens and fruits. It's not as well built as the Vitamix 5200 and has a much shorter 1-year warranty. Still, it blends fruit and vegetables into a smooth puree. Whether you're blending small volumes for single serves or using the jar's full 56 oz capacity for multiple servings. Like Vitamix, it only comes with one jar, but KitchenAid also sells separate personal jars for single-serve smoothies. Its controls also include a few blending programs, so the blender can stop automatically when it's done. It's more challenging to clean by hand than the Vitamix since it can be difficult to reach under the blades. However, that's most noticeable with sticky ingredients, and it's less of an issue if you're mostly making liquidy recipes like smoothies. Similarly, it doesn't include a tamper and isn't easy to use for thicker mixtures like hummus or nut butter. Again, that's fine if you only use your blender for smoothies, but if you care about overall versatility, it's worth keeping in mind. Best budget blender for smoothies. Oster Pro 1200. The Oster Pro 1200 is the best budget blender for smoothies we've tested. As you might expect from a cheaper blender, it's not as well built as the other blenders recommended here. Its 48 oz main jar is also one of the smallest, and you might find it limiting if you're blending for a crowd. That said, it comes with a 24 oz jar and to-go lid, so you don't need to spend extra if you want a personal blending jar that doubles as a travel cup. When it comes to making smoothies, it doesn't quite match the nearly perfectly smooth texture you get with the previous picks, but it'll still do a fantastic job with most recipes. It can crush ice cubes, but the manufacturer says not to use more than 6 ice cubes at once, while most full-size blenders can handle twice that. You can remove the blade assembly from the main jar, making it easy to clean by hand. However, it only comes with one blade assembly instead of one for each jar, so you need to disassemble and reassemble it when you switch jars. Some parts of the blender feel flimsy and not very sturdy, but you can get it with a 3-year US warranty, which is long for a blender. Best quiet blender for smoothies. Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender. If you want a quiet blender and to avoid the pitfalls of cheaper options, the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender is the best blender for smoothies. Unlike the Black + Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone glass jar, it's very well built. It also offers a better performance when blending common smoothie ingredients like fruit or leafy greens. It uses a plastic dome to muffle noise, making it marginally quieter than the Black + Decker, despite its more powerful motor. It also does a much better job of crushing ice, so it's more suitable for recipes like slushies or blended margaritas. However, it's not ideal for bigger batches since its main jar only has a 32 Oz capacity. You can use the noise dome as a serving pitcher, but not for blending. This blender also isn't ideal for thicker recipes like smoothie bowls since the ingredients can get pushed to the corners of the jar and you have to remove the noise dome to use the tamper. That said, it'll easily handle most smoothie recipes, and it's very easy to clean either in the dishwasher or by hand. Best personal blender for smoothies, Ninja Foodi Power. Nutri Duo personal blenders are designed to blend individual size smoothies. If you don't need a large capacity jar and mainly use your blender for smoothies, the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is a fantastic option. Its short, compact motor base makes it easy to bring in and out of a cupboard or store on your counter. The pair of 24-ounce personal jars can create a velvety blend with smoothie ingredients like leafy greens and berries. Like the Vitamix 5200, it can quickly produce a nearly perfectly smooth mixture. You can drink your smoothie from the same jar since each has a matching spout lid. While its smaller capacity limits you, it's versatile. The 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker jar has rotating arms that help a lot with thick mixtures, which is nice if you like making spoonable smoothie bowls with frozen fruits. It also easily crushes ice, meaning you can add a few ice cubes to your smoothie with no worries. However, it's very loud. If you're looking for a quiet personal blender for smoothies, the Beast Health Blender makes much less noise and offers a similar performance. However, it's more expensive, and not all its components are dishwasher safe. And that wraps up our guide to the best smoothie blenders of 2024. I hope you found the perfect blender to make your smoothies even more delicious and nutritious. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. Feel free to leave a comment below with your favorite blender or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.